Let's talk insurance. Heirs Insurance Group, which is one of the fastest growing insurance companies in the nation, has announced its audited financials for the year for fiscal year 2024. Let's take a look at some of these numbers. Pretty good. 66% growth in assets, 92.9 billion. Paid claims. They paid out 10.4 billion naira in claims for that year, 149% growth there. GWP is gross written premiums, 61 billion there, 70% growth. Revenue coming in, that's combined revenue, 31.3 billion naira, 53% growth. Profit before tax coming in at 1.1 billion, 133% growth there. Happy to have Mr. Niyi Onifade of the Heirs Insurance Group joining us to discuss. Good to see you again, sir. Good morning. Welcome.
Thank you. Great to be here again.
Yeah, fantastic. Look, great results. Can you talk to us about the triggers? What boosted your numbers?
Okay, so first let me talk about our purpose.
Yes. You want to insure the hell out of Nigeria. Everybody get insurance. Yeah.
Our purpose is very clear.
Yeah.
To improve lives and transform Africa.
Okay.
And that is the purpose of Heirs Holdings Group, to which we belong. So right from the beginning, we knew what we wanted to achieve.
Yeah.
To make insurance accessible to everybody, transforming the society through insurance. Now, I can anchor the drivers around 4 key factors.
Okay.
One is strategy.
Yeah.
Right from day one, we knew what the pain points of Nigerians are when it comes to insurance. We knew that we needed to solve those pain points to transform the industry.
Right.
So because of that, we came up with a strategy, a robust strategy that rests on the fact that, look, we must make insurance simple, accessible, reliable, and affordable. So that's about strategy.
I like the last one, affordable.
Affordable.
That one, I like Nigerians who like that one.
Very, very good.
Yeah.
So the second one is execution. Now, just as I mentioned, now we belong to Heirs Holdings Group that is performance-driven, led by the visionary leader, Mr. Tony Elumelu, who is also our chairman.
He's a performer.
A fantastic man.
He's all about performance.
Exactly. Yeah. So it is not about crafting a strategy alone. It is also about execution. So in our group, we take execution seriously. And by the way, our core values are execution, enterprise, and excellence. So execution is key.
Right.
So from day one, we started executing all those things that we have in our strategy. So that's number 2.
Okay.
Number 3 is people. People is key.
Yeah.
I mean, right people.
Like yourself. They have you.
Right
decades of experience. Yeah.
Absolutely. So right people in the right seats, doing the right thing at the right time.
Yeah.
So people, very, very key. Then the 4th one is technology. Right from the beginning, we said we will be digital innovators. So we have been leveraging on technology to make insurance accessible to all Nigerians. So those 4 drivers have contributed to our growth from the beginning right to this point.
Yeah.
And we will continue to do more.
Hey, look, amen to that. And I like technology. It's my favorite topic ever. I could talk about that for forever. Can you, just looking at, I guess, the subsidiaries, right? Health, life assurance, general insurance, and so on. Can you talk about the performances for some of those?
Yeah, so we are 3 in the group. Heirs Insurance Group has 3 insurance businesses. First is Heirs Life, and second, Heirs General, and then Heirs Insurance Brokers. So, I mean, you've given the combined figure.
Yes,
so I can break it down further. Let's start with Life. Life generated a gross written premium of 44.2 billion in 2024.
It's not bad at all.
And that's exactly, and that was a growth of 85% when you compare it with what we did in 2023. Then you move to profitability. Heirs Life generated a PBT of 5.5 billion. And that is almost 200% increase, 193% growth over what we did in 2023. And then when you talk about claims, which is very, very important because,
that is the number one thing for people.
I've always said it that, look, insurance is a business of promise. So when you collect people's premium, you must be able to pay their claims.
Right. So
Heirs Life paid a total claims of 5.6 billion in 2024.
That's pretty good.
And that was a 120% increase over what we paid in 2023. So it is not about showcasing profitability or revenue alone.
Yeah.
It's also about telling Nigerians what you have done to delight them. And this rests squarely on trust.
Yeah.
Insurance is about trust. So that is Heirs Life. Then when you look at Heirs General, Heirs General has also done very, very well. The gross written premium generated by Heirs General was a 42% increase over what it generated in 2023.
Okay.
The company ended with a gross written premium of about 17 billion naira in 2024. That was a 42% increase.
Yeah.
When you now talk about profitability, PBT stood at 4.9 billion at the end of the year. That was a 104% year-on-year growth.
Yeah.
And of course, claims too. I mean, Heirs General is also known for paying claims. The company paid 4.7 billion in claims in 2024.
Yeah.
And that was a 25% increase over what it paid in 2023. And then the third company is not left out too.
The brokers,
the,
right?
the brokerage firm.
Brokerage, yeah.
I mean, you know, for brokers, it's not about GWP now. But I mean, in terms of revenue, Heirs Insurance Brokers increased its revenue generation by 54%, ending the year with almost 2 billion revenue, 1.97 billion to be precise. And then in terms of profitability, the PBT of Heirs Insurance Brokers stood at almost $1 billion at the end of the year, 805 million to be precise. Yeah. And that was actually 53% increase. So looking at the performance of the three businesses, you can see that we are soaring like an eagle. So it's not just a matter of growth. It's about soaring. It's about delivering on promises. And it is about making insurance a lifestyle for people. So people have come to realize that, look, with Heirs Insurance Group, we are safe.
Exactly. Yeah.
We will get paid. And by the way, talking about the claims, Combined is not just about paying claims. It's also about paying claims on time.
Right.
I can confirm to you that 80% of those amounts were paid within 48 hours.
That is an impressive turnaround.
Absolutely.
I always tell people, look, if you're looking to, which insurance company, I always say, hey, go look at the financials and look at the claims paid. Correct. But you've now added another one. Not only that, when you're talking to them, ask them how long did it take to pay those claims.
Absolutely.
Absolutely. Very, very important stuff there. Fantastic there. So as far as the broader economic context within which you operate, I mean, you know what the GDP numbers are. I think it was 3.4 for the fourth quarter of last year. We're still waiting for Q1 numbers from our Bureau of Statistics. But inflation, that's been decelerating a bit, but still double digits. How's that impacting, how you operate?
You just spoke about inflation before I came in. I was watching it on TV.
US and UK, Nigeria too. We have our own,
Absolutely. It's a big challenge, not just for insurance, but for every business. It's a challenge. But then everything is all about your strategy, your leadership, the kind of things you are doing to ensure that you remain afloat.
Right.
We are all in the same society.
Certainly. So
for us, it's a case of what kind of responses do we have to inflation, to forex exchange, and all those. So we also make sure that at the end of the day, we don't pass all this increase in costs and whatever to the customer.
Right.
Because it's about giving the customer magical experience. So that is why technology also plays a role. Technology makes our life easier.
Oh, yes. Amen.
It makes the cost of doing business much more lower.
You are preaching right now. Yes. You are. Tech is everything. Yeah.
And honestly, by leveraging on technology, we've been able to achieve all these results. And yes, the challenge is there, but then again, talking about strategy these days, particularly because of these macroeconomic factors, is not a kind of thing that you say, okay, you want to review every year or every two years. It's a daily thing.
Right.
Every year, every day, you look at your strategy. Every month, you look at your strategy and respond to what is happening out there. And that is what we've been doing.
Fantastic. Now, as far as championing insurance innovation in the industry, how are you putting that forward? I'm guessing it's tech as well, right? So what else are you going to put innovation forward? Yeah,
so innovation for us is broad.
Yeah.
First, in terms of our digital tools. Mm-hmm. I mean, today we talk about our chatbot,
right,
which is AI-driven. We talk about our mobile app. We talk about our user-friendly website. So we are in a way making insurance so simple that it is as if you are just sending a text message.
That is how it is supposed to be.
Absolutely.
Just simple, straightforward, use your phone, get your claim. Yeah.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
Very, very simple.
Yeah.
So that is one.
Yeah.
Our digital tools. The second one is also in terms of insurance education.
Very important.
Very, very important because the awareness level is still relatively low in the country. And we are leading the way when it comes to insurance awareness in the Nigerian insurance industry. I mean, a quick look at our social media will demonstrate to you what we've been doing. So when you look at that, and again, you look at how we are using entertainment to make insurance relatable,
right,
to demystify insurance in Nigeria. I mean, recently we launched our web series, which we call the Underwriters.
Oh, okay.
The Underwriters. And Business Insider Africa actually reported on that.
Yeah.
I mean, it's really spoke glowingly about that web series that we launched.
Okay, I heard about it. I have to watch. I have to watch. Okay.
Please do so.
Yeah.
Please do so. And then also every year we give scholarship to school children.
Okay.
We call it Heirs Championship. With that, we are also promoting insurance literacy in the country. And I mean, the application for that of this year is still open anyway.
Okay.
So, I mean, a lot of things have been done in that regard. So for us, it is technology. It is also about the type of products you are giving to people. It is about simplicity, affordability, as you also said.
Yeah.
I mean, so you look at everything called innovation and ask yourself, how can I innovate in such a way that I will make insurance a lifestyle for the people?
Very important.
That is the way we see it.
Fantastic. Look, just to round off, as far as, I mean, you've already talked about innovation. How is that the part and parcel of the growth story for your company? You're just not known for good financials. Tell us how that becomes part of the growth story for the company.
Definitely it is.
Yeah.
We have our USSD, star 1100 hash, which people have been enjoying over time. We have our Simple Life mobile app. We have our Prince chatbot. Oh, you are trying to... Okay, so... Please try it. Try it. I mean, you know...
as the sports check,
exactly. Yeah. As they say, seeing is believing.
Yeah.
And this is something that we are confident about. And this is something that people have tested and they are seeing that, look, with Heirs Insurance Group, insurance is different. Yeah. So we are not just an insurance group.
You're a lifestyle group.
Exactly.
Yeah.
We are a force that is transforming the society.
Yeah.
That is who we are.
Look, I tell people every day, please, in fact, maybe your next ad, I'll give you a free ad. You should have a guy talking to a girl in a bar or nightclub and she asks him, do you have insurance? I don't want to get married without insurance. And this is something that should be like an everyday thing. And you guys are leading the way. Mr. Niyi Onifade of the Heirs Group Insurance, thank you so much for joining us on Rise News. Thank you so much for talking to us. Appreciate the time.